Along the quiet edges of rivers and beneath our very footsteps, ancient medicines grow unnoticed. Plants that have survived floods, droughts, and centuries of human history. Today, we uncover one of the most underestimated healing plants on Earth, plantain. Riverbanks and open plains are among the richest natural pharmacies on our planet. Constant access to water, mineral-rich soil, and seasonal flooding creates perfect conditions for medicinal plants to thrive. For thousands of years, humans have turned to these landscapes for healing. From anti-inflammatory herbs to antimicrobial leaves, many modern medicines trace their origins to wild plants growing near water. These plants evolved powerful chemical defenses to survive insects, fungi, and harsh environments. Ironically, those same compounds now protect the human body. Among these resilient plants stands plantain, scientifically known as Plantago. It grows along riverbanks, meadows, roadsides, and grasslands across Europe, Asia, and North America. Plantain thrives where other plants fail. Its low-growing form allows it to survive trampling, flooding, and grazing animals. The plant forms a basal rosette of broad, oval leaves with strong parallel veins. These veins act like internal support cables, transporting water and nutrients efficiently. From the center rises a slender stalk topped with tiny wind-pollinated flowers. Each flower produces seeds rich in mucilage, a gel-like substance with remarkable biological effects. Scientifically, plantain contains bioactive compounds such as aucubin, flavonoids, tannins, and polysaccharides. These substances show anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and wound-healing properties. Traditionally, plantain leaves were applied to cuts, insect bites, and burns. Modern studies confirm its ability to accelerate tissue regeneration and reduce bacterial growth. When consumed as tea or extract, plantain soothes the digestive system and respiratory tract. Its mucilage forms a protective layer, easing coughs, ulcers, and intestinal inflammation. It is evident that natural substances are not necessarily safe or suitable for everyone. Therefore, they should only be used under the guidance and prescription of a qualified medical professional. Plantain is not rare. It is not exotic. Yet its quiet resilience and medicinal power remind us that nature's greatest solutions often grow unnoticed beneath our feet.